Hi everyone. I'm AliCoder. Today, we will teach you how can you connect a database using Java language. First of all, you will need to install or add the JDBC or MySQL Java connector dependency to your build system. Mine is Maven. You can search for it and add it to pom.xml file. Then, you'll need to install WAMP server from its official site if you want to run and test and connect a database from your own computer. You have VPS, you don't need to install this on your VPS, just have MySQL server but in this video we will continue using WAMP server, but it would not have difference in connecting to databases manner. Now, open WAMP server and wait until unlaunched completely.
After receiving the ready message, go to your browser and type localhost there to make sure it's working completely. Go to php.myadmin page. The default username is root and password is empty. Make sure you selected the MySQL. OK, now, you can see your databases from here. Select one to see tables. Keep databases name and tables name, we will use them in future. Now, start coding. You need to save the database URL, MySQL username and password we use to login in php.myadmin. The URL must start with JDBC:, MySQL:, MySQL server address, that default is the IP address, / database name. And continue as video carefully. Now, we will use the built-in library named SQL in Java. We need to handle an exception named SQL exception. We will create a connection object. By creating this object, it will connect automatically when we run the program, so no need to call back any function to connect. Now, we want to extract names from players table. Firstly, we need to create a statement object. Second, we need to create a result set object using this statement object by calling executeQuery method. We put the SQL query in it. Then, we open a while loop like this. This means while the table has fields, it has to do something with those data. We will print them in separate lines in console. As it's clear, the players table is empty, so for printing something, we need to add data, right? So, I added Ali name with 1234 password with thousands of troubles. We need the name for now. At the end, don't forget to follow my page, don't forget to close the result set, statement and connection object we created. And boom! Finally, we extracted the name from the players table in Minecraft server database. For more tutorials, please like and try to follow my page. Thanks for watching.